Welcome to another episode of Toe to Head Style. I am your host, Justin Romelo, and this is the New Balance 9060. Now, unless you've been completely removed from sneaker culture for the past couple of years, then there's no way for you to not know that New Balance has been on an absolute tear with their recent models. From the 550 to the 990 series to the 2002 Rs, it just seems like New Balance cannot lose. And the 9060 is a more than welcomed addition to that lineup. I gotta be honest with you guys, I absolutely love the design of this sneaker. It takes a lot of inspiration from the 990 series as well as the New Balance 8060, which is where you get that name 9060 from. This sneaker originally released in May of 2022 with a Joe Freshgoods collab, and then it went on to have a collaboration with Bodega, and now we've entered a season of general release colorways, much similar to this one. If you're someone that's been waiting to hop on the New Balance bandwagon, but you just haven't found the right entry point, I'm here to tell you the 9060 is definitely the right entry point. It wins in every single category that I could possibly think of. Style, 10 out of 10. Materials and craftsmanship, 10 out of 10. Price point, 10 out of 10. Comfort, 10 out of 10, would recommend. This sneaker is a culmination of all the design elements that are currently popular in the sneaker world. It has a low profile, slim upper, similar to a lot of classic New Balance models, but the bulkiness of the sole gives it a modern flair. This sneaker pairs well with straight fit jeans, baggy jeans, cargo pants, and even sweatpants. But that's enough talking. Let me go ahead and throw these on feet so you can see how they look.